So in this video, you'll learn how to mute or unmute your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 and A56. So the first step is to open the Settings app. From here, select Sounds and Vibration, and you should see the three options that you can use for this process. So currently my phone is set to sound, which means that it's unmuted, and if I ever receive any notifications, phone calls, all sorts of things, then I'll be able to hear a sound that corresponds with that specific thing. I also have, if I have my keyboard sounds enabled, I can hear the keyboard sounds coming up from my device. So in short, any system sound is activated. However, if you want to mute your device, then you can choose two different options. You have Vibrate, and by doing this, it will disable any system sounds on your phone, and the only way you'll be able to tell if you've received notifications or anything like that is through a vibration you feel on your device. If you don't want the sound and you don't want the vibration, then you can always just select Mute. Once you've selected it, it mutes any sounds and vibrations on your phone. And so that's how you can mute or unmute your phone on your. There's also a shortcut that you can use in the quick settings menu that simply allows you to mute or unmute your device. So you can swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access quick settings. And then next to this volume bar, you should see this icon here with a speaker option with a line going through. So this shows whether your phone is in mute, vibrate, or it's unmuted. So currently with a line going through and grayed out, it's muted. If I tap on it once, it will switch to unmuted and it'll be in sound mode. And now I'll be able to hear any sound notifications coming through to my device. If I tap on it a second time, you'll see it has a line going through with a vibration icon next to the sound speaker. And this means that my phone is now in vibrate. So any notifications that come through will have a vibration instead of a sound. If I tap on it once more, it will gray out with a line going through, meaning that my phone is in mute. And so those are the ways you can use to unmute or mute your device. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.